confused on what material to use for restoration, today we'll discuss direct restoration for primary teeth which are vital and non-endodontically treated. If you get a class 3 cavity, the best and aesthetically pleasing option will be composites. Class 5 cavity, whether it is in anterior or posterior, the best options are GIC or composite. GIC can be preferred over composite when tooth isolation can't be achieved or in cases where special healthcare need is required. Coming on to Class 1 cavity, GIC, composite or preform crowns can be used, and amalgam is not recommended below 6 years, and also for patients who are allergic to mercury, silver, tin, etc. Class 2 cavities, you can opt for resin modified GIC, not conventional one, and also composites and preform crown. So these are the recommendations. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for part 2. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment on this video.